Hey guys, it's Sharon. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make an all-time favorite breakfast recipe, waffles. Sorry if my sound is a little bit weird and wonky because I'm kind of sick today. So let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. So we got 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1 stick of butter, or if you're not using sticks, you can also define it as 1½ cup of butter and 2 eggs. You'll also need a big large bowl to mix all your ingredients, utensils, and also some butter and a brush to coat your waffle maker to make the waffles. Okay, so the first step is to mix all wet ingredients, including eggs. So just crack them. Oat. Butter. So next we do milk. And last but not least, vanilla paste. Now let's mix all of this up. Okay, so now let's put in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So the first major dry ingredient is flour. So just put it in. And this is already sifted. So, and just a random tip is you have to sift your flour or not there will be chunks. While also mixing it in, also add your sugar, your baking soda, and also your salt. The batter is all done, and the last step to finish the batter is to sift it one more time. Okay, so after you're done with the batter, we're going to start by putting it in the waffle maker. So if you can see over here, hold it up, it has a red light on it. It's supposed to be green so that it means that it's ready, just like this. So now we can just put in our butter first. So now that the pan is a little bit hot enough, so just put in the butter. Okay, one tip that I recommend doing is just getting the butter when it's a little earlier so that it won't burn, because if it burns, your pancake will turn brown on the outside and you do not want that. So that's just one tip. So I'm using a 1½ cup to just take the batter, the waffle batter, and just transfer it. Okay, so another good tip that someone spot out is you have to make and wait until the batter is boiling in the pan before you close the waffle maker. Okay, can you see that? It's bubbling like crazy. So now it's done, and let's close it up. Just wait until the light turns on again. Okay, it's already green and it's time to open the waffle. Okay, so just stick it up.
Yay!
Okay, so we're just gonna repeat this over and over again. Okay, as you can see, it's not that bubbling now, but it's almost time to put it. This takes a lot of patience. If you're not patient, then it's a good time to learn patience. And let's close it. Okay, so let's just cut it in half because our waffle maker actually makes 2 in 1. How good of a deal is that? But if your waffle maker makes only 1, then you just can skip this part. So, okay, so let's put all the waffles and stack them up. And if you actually think that plating is easy, think twice because it's not. And I'm serious about that. Okay, so now let's take the vanilla. And this is amazing. I really like ice cream.
Wow.
Okay, and now for the strawberries.
So tasty.
Okay, so this is it. Simple waffles with ice cream and strawberries on top. Perfect for any breakfast you have. What you have to do is share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to watch more videos in Easy Junior channel. Bye!